Hello, in this Visual Basic programming video, we are going to cover variables. So what are variables? Variable is just a way of containing a value, like a number, like a word, for example, and you can store it, you can modify it, and you can use it in several different locations. So let me show you how to create a variable. So what you do is put dim, now you put your variable name. So I'm going to say, I'll literally just say name. Then you say as, and this is saying it's going to be as a particular data type. There's going to be a separate video in this series that will cover data types, so check that out. But the principle is the same once you know all the data types. So we're literally only going to cover, I'd say, 1 or 2 data types in this video, but we'll cover all the others in the next one. Okay, so we're going to say integer, so which is just a whole number, like so. And now to assign a value, we just do name, or the name of the variable. So name equals 4, for example. Now we can use it anywhere we want. So we could do console.writeLine, and we could just do name, for example. Let's run it, see what we get. And I need to start with that debugging. There we go, it says 4. Pretty cool. What we could do is even, let's say if we do another console.writeLine, we could, let's say if we created another variable, so dim, I don't know, I'll call it var2 as integer, var2 equals 8. And in here, I could print out var2. So you can see we've got 2 separate variables. And if I run it, see what we get. I need to do control 5, so 4 and 8. We can go a step further and do console.writeLine and put name times by var2. Let me just sort this out. So this just times the values together. So if I run it in debug mode, 4 times 8 is 32. And that's it. Really, honestly, there's not much more to it than that for variables. So dim specifies that you're creating a variable. Then you specify your variable name. This has to be unique, just bear that in mind. Then you specify what data type it is. And this is what will change. You could even create your own data type, for example, your own class, and we'll be covering that later on in the series. And we're going to have another video that covers data types, but process is the same. Feel free to experiment. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next programming video.